Hey, welcome to series of everything you need to know about Python in simplest possible way. The best way to learn anything is by doing. Having said that, in our previous video we have solved some of the problems using for loops. In this video we will solve some more problems using while loops. Having said that, let us go ahead and solve the problems that we are having in this video. So now the first problem that we will be solving is implementing a simple countdown timer. So to implement this countdown timer, we need a method called sleep. That is what we need to solve this problem. So sleep is present inside a module called time. So let us not worry much about these modules and all at this moment. In our coming videos, we will discuss more in detail about these modules and all. So for the time being, let us import from time import the sleep. So that is what we want in this video to solve this problem. So now I will read countdown from the user. So I am asking user to enter countdown. So user will give countdown. So as and when the user is giving countdown, I wanted to iterate through this countdown and do some process. So because of that reason, I am mentioning while and I am mentioning condition as countdown is greater than 0. As long as this countdown value is greater than 0, I will be executing a block of code. So in this block of code, what I will be doing is that I will first print the count count down. So here also I need to mention the name as count down. So next what I will be doing is that I will be putting this program to sleep for 1 second by using this sleep method. So I'm using the sleep method to put this program for 1 second. So then I need to decrement this countdown value for 1 on each iteration. So for that I will be mentioning count down minus equal to 1. So by using this I will be decrementing the countdown value on each iteration. After this is done, after this while loop execution is done, I will be printing something like stop. stop stop. If I execute this, it was asking for the input, so let me give the input as 4. You can see the output as like this. Let me execute one more time for you. Observe carefully. So I am mentioning this time value as 10. So as and when I am executing this program, 10, 9, 8, like this each iteration it will reduce the values by waiting for 1 second. So that is how we will be building this countdown program. At last it will print the value as top after coming out of this while loop. I hope you have understood this problem and I hope you have understood this program as well. From time we are importing sleep to put this program in sleep for 1 second, we can put this program any number of seconds by mentioning the time in here, that seconds in this sleep method. So let's go ahead and solve one more problem, which is calculating the sum of digits in a given number. So the problem statement is that I will be having a number of any number. Let us take the number like this. So now what I wanted to do through this by this problem is that I wanted to find the values of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Like this, I wanted to calculate the sum of independent or indivisible digits of this number. So that is what I need to solve. So for that reason, I will take one variable called addition. So in this variable, I will store the addition. So initially, I will take the addition value as 0. So next, what I will be doing is that I will iterating through this number, through this number, as long as this number is 0. So observe carefully so that you will be able to understand. So I am mentioning the number as greater than 0. As long as this number is greater than 0, I will be iterating through this loop. Next, what I will be doing is that I am mentioning something as digit. So how I am getting this digit is that I will be mentioning a number modulo operator by 10. By mentioning this modulo operator by 10, I will be getting the last digit of the number. How does that work? Let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am taking the value 1, 2, 3, 4. I am mentioning modulo operator with 10. If I execute this, I am getting the last digit which is 4. If I mention one more 0 as 100, I can get the last two digits of this number. So we want only one digit. Like this, I am getting the last digit. If I remove 4 and if I have 1, 2, 3, if I execute this, I am getting the last digit. So like this, I can able to get the last digit by mentioning this modulo operator by 10. So now what I wanted to do is that I wanted to add this digit to addition. Initially, we have the addition 0. Now, I wanted to add this digit on each iteration. So, because of that reason, I will be mentioning addition plus equal to digit. By mentioning this, I will be adding this digit to the addition on each iteration. So, next, what I will be doing is that I will take this number and I will divide this number with 10. So, how does this works is that, let's say I have this number 1, 2, 3, 4. By mentioning this with this operator, I can able to get the first three values. The last value will be removed. So if I mention one more 0 here, I can only get the first two digits. So if I mention 0, the last value will be removed. So by this we can remove the last value. By this we can, so by using modulo operator, we will be getting the result as last digit. By using this floor division operator, we will be removing the last digit and we are getting as many number of values that we are having initially. So that is how we will be using this floor division and this modulo operator. So after completing this, we will be printing the result as addition. So I will print the addition result here. So if I execute this, I am getting the value as 10. So that is true. 1 plus 2, which is 3. 3 plus 3, which is 6. 6 plus 4, which is 10. So now let us do one thing. Let us take the input from the user. Int input, enter, enter a number. So I am taking the input from the user. So if I take the input as 4, 5, 6, I am getting the result as 15. So that is true. 4 plus 5, which is 9. 9 plus 6, which is a 15. Like this, I can able to do some operation on these digits. So like this, I can get the result like this. So I hope you have understood this problem and understood this solution as well. So let me explain briefly one more time. So here I am getting the number and here I am taking the addition as 0 by default initially. So next I will be mentioning this statement as long as this number is greater than true, I need to execute this block of code. That is what I am mentioning here. So initially we will taking the digit from this number by using modulo operator, and on each iteration we will be adding this digit to the addition. That is what we are initially having. So at last we will be, to make this condition true after some iterations, we will be taking this number modulo sorry, not modulo operator, by using this floor division with 10. So by using this floor division, we will be removing the last digit. We will be considering only the digits previously having without last digit. So by using this, we can able to print, we can able to get the sum of digits of a given number. So I hope you have understood this. So let's go ahead and solve the one more problem. So here the problem statement is that reversing the digits of a given number. Previously we have made the sum operation of the digits. Now we need to reverse the digit. How does that work? How does that mean? What does that mean? So let's say I have this 1, 2, 3, 4, and I want the result as 4, 3, 2, 1. Like this, I want the result. So this is what the problem that we are solving now. So let's say I am using one more thing which is of reverse. Reverse. So in reverse, I will be having initially 0. Now I will be iterating through this number and I need to find the reverse value for this number. So for that I will use while and I will mention number is greater than 0. I am mentioning as long as this number is greater than 0, I need to execute this block of code. So now what I will be doing is that I will take the digit as we have taken previously. Number modulo operator by 10. By using this modulo operator, I will be getting the last digit. So now what I will be doing is that I will mention reverse is equal to whatever the number that I am having here. Now what I will be doing is that reverse multiplied with 10 with addition with digit. So how is it working? So let us understand this statement here. So initially I will be getting 4 digit, right? By using this statement, I can able to get the digit 4. So I am having, let's say I am having 4 with 10. So here the reverse value let is considered as 4 and I am multiplying with this reverse with 10 and I am adding the digit which is 3. After 4 we will be getting 3, right? So I will be mentioning the result as 3. If I execute this, I can able to get the result as 43. Previously we have 3 4. Now I can get 4 3. Like this we can able to reverse all the values, all the numbers by using this single statement. So next what we will be doing is that we will be taking this number last, removing this last number in the number. So for that I will be using floor division and I wanted to assign this to this number itself. Because of that reason I am mentioning this shortcut method here. So now at last we will be printing the reverse number. Reverse number. If I execute this, I can able to get the reverse number of this particular number. Let's take the input from the user. So I am asking input from the user, enter the number. So user will enter the number and we will convert the number into reverse. So let me put number here. So if I give the number as 9876, I can able to get the answer as 6789. So let us give one more number, 1357. So if I give this, it was giving 7531. So like this, we will be solving this problem to reverse any number. So I hope you have understood this problem and this solution as well. So like this, we can solve any problem using this while loop. I hope you have understood this video. You have found this video interesting. If that is true, hit the like button and subscribe for more this kind of videos. In our next video, I will be giving some of the problems to you so that you can solve those problems and put the solution in the comment section. So if you find any difficulty while solving those problems, you can always refer my GitHub notebook that is available in the comment section in the description. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.